Hey guys, Matt with Forever Fab again. So we wanted to post this little video, which is a test of some glue that we were recommended for a project. We wanted to see how well it could hold up. We glued two pieces of scrap metal together. We just had to put it through the ringers. We're going to be gluing a couple crosses together for a church, and I know normally we would weld or fasten or bolt or something, but the company or the church that these are for wanted us to powder coat them in two different colors, and it just made the most sense that if we could find an adhesive that's strong enough, we could just get them powder coated after they're machined, glue them together, stick them on a door, call it a day. So this is a quick little video of us testing that out, so enjoy this. This first part you're gonna see is first we're just pulling on them, using our hand strength, all of it, and then throw it in the old Wilson vise and give her the old college try with the small little pliers there, and then I switched up to the big 15-inch adjustable wrench, which she finally gave way then, but for how these are going to be applied and what they're going to be on, ain't nobody going to get a wrench on these. And that's not a challenge, but it's what it is. I mean, for glue, damn. This is some pretty potent stuff. And then here's the product itself. You can pause the video and read what it is. It's actually made here in Minnesota, I believe, or at least the company is based here. So that was kind of cool too. So that's that.